out my own pocket. Mind you, I just moved into this house. I almost cussed. Good morning, LAFM fam. What's good, y'all? Guess what, y'all? So today, your girl spent the night at my house for the first time. At the new house, and I didn't get no sleep. No, why I didn't get no sleep? Because when you sleep at a new environment, you don't get no sleep. All night you can hear the house crack. Well, not crack, but you can know, adjusting to us, I guess. And my daughter didn't get no sleep either because she kept, Mama, I gotta go pee. You know, she's sleeping in her bed in her new room. It's like we have to get an adjusting feel of the new house. And now we are up early this morning. It's currently 8:30ish, almost 9 o'clock. The reason why we got up because our internet person came through here today to set our internet up, and it came it came on time at 8 o'clock, honey. And my internet is on, so I can start editing videos. But first thing first, before I start editing, I gotta get this house together. I have to start unpacking our stuff, putting up the kids' clothes, put it in its rightful place. Okay, that's what we're doing today. But first, I gotta go feed these children, and we can see how they first night went. But they got the TV on, watching Netflix, watching some type of new Grinch series, movies on Netflix for the kids. And you know I love the Grinch, so I'm gonna start watching from season 1. They on season 2. I ain't see season 1 yet. First, let me get dressed. I gotta make up my bed, but in this video you will see me unpacking the stuff that we got here, because we still gotta go back to the old home to get more stuff. When I said this shower right here, baby, that shower head right there hit all the crevices, baby, and it was like I was getting power washed by the car wash. This style, I love the shower. Definitely get your money's worth. But anyway, let me get dressed. I'll holler at you in a few. So, how was your first night at the new home?
Feel good, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Y'all feel good? Let me press pause on this TV.
I didn't get scared too.
You didn't get scared? Yeah, he was a big boy. He slept in his room the whole time.
I slept in my room.
She slept in her room too with her sisters. How was your first day, Audrey? How was it?
Good.
Don't mind all that stuff right here. That's the stuff right here we're gonna unpack. Don't do that, Olivia. Stop.
So look, I had a dream about Olivia. She had slept in your room, then she will place Olivia's room in my room.
So all this stuff right here, I gotta unpack. The stuff in boxes, I gotta unpack, and gotta get more stuff. But yeah, let me go ahead and do what I need to go do.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they.
Y'all, you can tell I'm tired this whole time. I thought I had wrapped my headscarf, this little part right here. I just threw that little bit like it's a wet towel or you know, some wet hair or whatever. I am exhausted, okay? I am tired. I pretty much got the stuff out of the boxes done. The kids is enjoying themselves on the tablets and stuff like that and watching movies. I gotta go through those trash bags of clothes. A lot of gang of clothes. And most of them is gonna be hung up. I bought 2 boxes of 50-pack of hangers. So I'm gonna use those to hang their clothes with. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm literally exhausted. I ain't gonna sleep till about 4 o'clock this morning, and I'm running on low energy because this past couple weeks the weather was crazy. Like pretty much the middle of the United States was under red of tornadoes and snow. Over here it was a bunch of tornadoes. No snow, but up north it's like they had tornadoes was knocking down snow from the mountains and stuff like that. So according to my bestie, I see my truck falling. I'm flipping over. She sent me a picture of it. I'm like, are you serious? And then the day before we get ready to move here in this new home, we had a tornado and it hit before my home. Whole power was out for a good day, so we had to postpone our moving time, and we ended up moving here yesterday. So I am exhausted. I'm tired. So, and I hate moving. I really do. I still gotta go back to my old home to get some more stuff that I'm not even done yet, y'all. I gotta go get some more of my pots and pans. I got all the stuff out of the boxes. That's not half of my stuff. Most of my stuff is at the rest of the house.
Many hours later.
All right, y'all, I'm looking rough. I didn't even take y'all out to the store. I had went to the store earlier to grab some food for tonight. We having tacos tonight, and we having some chicken fajitas. Right now, I'm prepping the chicken. One thing for sure, although we may be tired, but mom still get the job done. Ain't that right? Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm so tired, I'm talking low. Why am I whispering? Anyway, let's cook.
They wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Here goes my chicken taco, and it's looking so yummy, yummy, yums. Okay, and everybody else eating right now as we speak, but I'll holler at you in a few. Yo, I'm so irritated right now. I'm trying not to cuss. It's currently 11:11 at night. I don't know if it was due to me turning on the dishwasher for the first time, but one of my twins had used the restroom and the toilet started overflowing all of a sudden. Then the water going into the tub, and then the water going to my other bathroom, flooding that bathroom and the toilet. I gotta come out of my own pocket. Mind you, I just moved into this house. I almost cussed. I just moved into this house and I'm already come out of pocket for $300 for plumbing issues. That money is supposed to be used to get these kids bed frames. It's $300 just to come out, not the diagnosis. Once they figure out what the problem is, then they would charge me for the diagnosis. Ain't no telling how much that's gonna cost. I'm irritated as a mother. I'm irritated, bro. I'm trying to keep it together. I'm trying not to cry. I'm tired. I'm frustrated right now. I'm on zero sleep. Literally zero sleep. It's 11:10. I'm supposed to be in the bed by 8 or 9 already. Can't even clean up because of the water. Like, if it ain't one thing, it's another. I'm over it. I'm over it with this night. My thing is, what if we didn't have the money to unclog these toilets? Then what? Who would help us in? Man, when I say moving into this place has cost us so much money already, and the first is right around the corner, less than 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. I'm on my breaking point right now because I'm still paying bills at the other house I moved from, because we got to clean it up and stuff like that, and then I have to turn that off. And then I'm telling y'all too much of my business, but it's just, imagine the amount of stress that I'm dealing with at this moment. I've been trying to hold it all together for the sake of my family. Even if I may have like one person in my corner that's extended family, or no, 2 people, best friend and one extended family and my husband. That's 3 people. It don't make no sense. It really don't. Now I'm waiting on them to come here to do a diagnostic test. Here they go calling me down. Hello? About 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. and they just hang up. I'm over it.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around.